What's up, guys? Today we're going to be finding out if you can play games like PUBG on the Unda V80 on a tablet that's a budget gaming tablet that's under $100. So you can pick this up for around 80 to 90 bucks. So it does have a full HD display, 1080p. It does have 2 gigabytes of RAM and a quad-core 1.3 gigahertz processor. So I've got PUBG loaded up on here. So let's go ahead and check it out and see if it'll actually play. So this is great for if you don't need to play with a bigger screen and you don't want to drop a whole bunch of cash. So definitely one of the advantage of a tablet is the display. This is an 8-inch display. Alright guys, we're finally in, looking for a match. So far it looks good. Alright guys, we're in the game, so let's go ahead and check out the settings and see what we've got. So we're on low, so yeah, just like I thought, everything's pretty much on low. And let's check out if it'll go ahead and play. And so far not bad at all. It's actually not that bad at all. I do not know why these bars are still right here, why the buttons are still right here. They should have disappeared. So yeah guys, this is not super not laggy at all. You can definitely get away with playing on here without dropping a whole bunch of cash. And I have no clue what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm still not seeing any real frame rate drops. And the game looks pretty decent on this HD display. So yeah, it looks pretty good. These bars are usually not here, so it's probably some type of software hiccup. I probably have to restart, but this taskbar is just usually not here. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I don't know why that's there. I might just have to restart. But so far, definitely not laggy at all. Definitely playable. So guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. This bar is usually not. Oh snap! What the heck? This bar is usually not here, but it works and it plays actually pretty smooth. Alright, so thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.